How to modify your name on Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to modify your name on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to modify your name, you just need to head over to your Threads app right here. And once you're in there, just click on your profile icon below. And once you click on that, you can see my profile right here. So this is my name. So if you want to get rid or modify of that, what you need to do is just click on edit profile right there. And as you can see, it is loading. So my name right here is Ciara Cells, and this is my username. So as you can see right now, my name and username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. So what you need to do is to just click on this Instagram icon up here. So let's click on that, and this will redirect us to our Instagram. So right now, let's click on edit profile right here. And as you can see, this is my name right here. So if I want to change it, what I need to do is type in a new name. So for example, right here, I want to add CRD, and then click on this check right here. As you can see, it's been changed, and click on check right here again. And this will load and save my progress. So when we head over to our Threads right here and refresh it, as you can see, it also refreshed my name. So as of right now, there's still no chance in order to modify your name on Threads because it is really connected to Instagram. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you how to modify your name on Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.